Please start. Anglo Sikh Wars.
Anglo Sikh Wars. First Anglo Sikh War, 1845 to 46, in the period of Lord Hardinge as GGI.
What is GGI? Governor General of India. GGI is known as Governor General of
India.
Governor General of India. ठीक है. GGI is Governor General of India. तो कौन सा पीरियड था 1845 से लेके 46 तक in the period of Lord Hardinge. Next point please.
The modern kingdom of Punjab, which existed between 1799 to 1849, was established by Ranjit Singh.
तो रंजीत सिंह जैसा मराठास में एक नाम याद करें, क्या बोलते हैं आप? शिवाजी. मराठास में शिवाजी है. और ये सिक्स में आपको क्या याद रखना है?
रंजीत सिंह.
So 1799 to 1849, ऑलमोस्ट पूरे 50 years. ठीक है. Next.
He was efficient ruler and concluded a friendship treaty with EEI Corporation.
What is EEI? East India Company.
Okay.
English East India Company. EEI माने E for English. माने East India Companies बहुत थे. There are many East India Companies. ठीक है. There was Dutch East India Company. There was French East India Company. There was English East India Company. Ultimately, East India Company fought well in India and they ruled. ठीक है. So English East India Company. That is Treaty of Friendship.
Treaty of Amritsar in 1809.
Which decided
River Sutlej as boundary between Sikh land and Company's territory.
So, what was the boundary between the East India Company and Sikh land?
River Sutlej.
River Sutlej. River Sutlej में क्या याद रखना है आपको? River Sutlej. Does it originate in India? Indus?
Yes, Indus.
And Sutlej does not originate in India. Indus and Sutlej does not originate in India. It comes from the Tibet. याद रखिए. So River Sutlej as boundary between Sikh land and the Company's territory. ठीक है. So please, next point.
In 1839, Ranjit Singh died, followed by anarchy in kingdom and succession conflicts in royal family.
So in 1839, Ranjit Singh died and followed a anarchy in kingdom. Meaning once a strong person dies, there will be a power struggle between the empire or the kingdom. 1839, Ranjit Singh died, followed anarchy in the kingdom and succession conflicts in the royal family. Next.
Minor son of Ranjit Singh, Dalip Singh became ruler with his mother Rani Jindan as regent.
So minor son of Ranjit Singh. Who was the minor son of, who is minor? आज के लॉ के हिसाब से less than 18. ठीक है. So minor son of Ranjit Singh, Dalip Singh became the ruler with his mother Rani as regent. Regent माने on behalf of this mother, Rani Jindan ruled on behalf of her minor son. Next.
The Sikh army became indisciplined and Rani Jindal, in order to divert its attention, authorized to cross Sutlej to invade the British territory.
Invade the British territory. गलती किसकी है इधर? देखिए, when the Ranjit Singh was there, he concluded a friendship treaty and said that River Sutlej will be the boundary. Now, as in panic, what did she do? She just crossed the river Sutlej and violated this friendship treaty. Right. Next.
Okay. Lord Hardinge declared war in 1845.
So, as it is a violation of the treaty, English India Company declared war. Next. What are three important wars?
Important battles. Mudki, Firoz Shah, Aliwal, Sobraon.
Mudki, Firoz Shah, Aliwal and Sobram. What are the important battles which are fought and who were defeated?
Sikhs
were
were defeated.
Defeated and ended with the Treaty of
Lahore.
Lahore. Okay. Now, if you remember, first Anglo-Mysore war ended with the Treaty of
Madras.
Madras. Second,
Mangalore.
Mangalore. Third,
Srirangapatnam.
Srirangapatnam. Fourth was it was still altogether. Okay. So first Anglo-Sikh war ended with the Treaty of अगर आप मराठा में देखें तो फर्स्ट एंग्लो मराठा वॉर एंडेड विद द ट्रीटी ऑफ
Salbai.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट ट्रीटी सेकंड एंग्लो मराठा वॉर ट्रीटी ऑफ
Basin.
उसके बाद then you have all this, then first Anglo Sikh war ended with the treaty of
Lahore.
उसके बाद
Sikhs ceded all lands on British side of the Sutlej, including Kashmir as well as Jalandhar Doab.
so Sikh ceded माने gave away all the lands of British side of the Sutlej, including Kashmir as well as Jalandhar Doab माने दो रिवर जो जा रहे हैं उसके बीच की जगह दो आब. ठीक है नेक्स्ट
Fined rupees 1.5 crores towards war indemnity.
इंडेमनिटी माने वॉर करने की वजह से जो खर्चा हुआ जो नुकसान हुआ तो ब्रिटिशर्स क्या फाइन करे रानी पे सिख डेंसिटी पे किंगडम पे 1.5 crores. नेक्स्ट
The company sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh.
तो कश्मीर जो एरिया है कश्मीर द एरिया वाज सोल्ड टू गुलाब सिंह. ठीक है दिस वाज द फर्स्ट एंग्लो
Sikh
war. क्लियर है. तो कब स्टार्ट हुआ फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वॉर
1845 to 46.
1805 to 46. Who under whose leadership this Anglo Sikh war was fought from the Sikh side? It is Ranjit Singh died in 1839. उसके बाद कौन बना?
Dalip Singh.
Dalip Singh was a minor son. On behalf of Dalip Singh, who was fighting? Mother Rani Jindan. What was the immediate cause for this war? This Rani Jindan.
Rani crossed the Sutlej
River and violated the Friendship Treaty.
British Treaty.
And Lord Hardinge was from the British side. The East India Company successfully defeated the Sikhs and ended with the Treaty of Lahore. The Sikh gave away Kashmir as well as Jalandhar Doab and was fined 1.5 crores as war indemnity, and company sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh. So please, someone else. Sonia, are you there? Hello there. Can you read? Shima. Shima, are you there?
Second Sikh War, 1848 to 49. This war led to the complete control of Punjab by the British.
पूरे कितने wars हुए? Second Sikh War. उसके बाद में you have different concepts. ठीक है? Now, Second Sikh War कब हुआ? When did the Second Sikh War happen?
1848 to 49.
48 to 49. First Sikh War 45 to
45, 46.
46. वही एक साल में एक 2 साल के बाद ही सेकंड वॉर हो गया. 2 साल के बाद सेकंड वॉर हो गया. कब से कब तक चला?
1848 to 49.
1848 to 49. This war led to the complete control of Punjab by the British. This area was later to become the Northwestern
Frontier Province.
NWFP बोलते थे. ठीक है?
NWFP. Cause this, the Sikhs could not digest a humiliation imposed in First Sikh War and humiliation towards Maharani Jindal.
So जो फर्स्ट थे, गलती किसकी थी? महारानी जिंदाल की थी उधर, लेकिन फिर से क्या है, जो ह्यूमिलेशन हुआ, फिर से क्या है, अपना ये बदला लेने के वास्ते फिर से इन लोग कुछ ना कुछ स्टार्ट कर दिए। उसके बाद पढ़िए मूलराज। मूलराज
Mulraj, the Sikh governor of Multan, since he was in financial crisis, did not oblige the demands of the British.
डिड नॉट ऑब्लाइज, माने कितने कितने करोड़ रुपए लगाए थे?
1.5 crores.
1.5 करोड़। अब उन लोग पैसे नहीं है तो कहां से देंगे? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट।
He was removed, and in his place, Sardar Khan Singh was appointed by the British resident Frederick Curie.
So he was appointed. So
By the
Sardar Khan was appointed by the British resident Frederick Curie. ठीक है, next.
people revolted against the British under Mulraj, and the revolt transformed into a national revolt, and Lord Dalhousie declared war.
And Lord Dalhousie declared the war. पहला war किसके अंडर लड़े थे लोगों? The
Treaty
first
of
war was fought by whom?
Jindal and Ranjit Singh and Jindal.
रंजीत सिंह तो
अच्छा
डेथ हो गई ना,
ना डेथ हो गई। अच्छा दलीप सिंह माइनर सन ऑफ
माइनर सन। एंड ब्रिटिश साइड के साथ कौन है?
लॉर्ड हार्डिंजे।
लॉर्ड हार्डिंग है। सेकंड किसके उसमें लड़े? लॉर्ड
लॉर्ड
डलहौजी।
डलहौजी।
प्लीज रिमेंबर। के बाद में
कोर्स द बैटल टुक प्लेस एट सेवरल प्लेसेस रामनगर चिलियानवाला एंड गुजरात सिक्स वेर डिफीटेड एट द बैटल ऑफ गुजरात
तो सिक्स वे डिफीटेड द बैटल ऑफ गुजरात। एज ए रिजल्ट क्या हुआ इसका?
पंजाब वाज अनेक्स्ड
पंजाब वाज एनेक्स्ड एंड
द खालसा आर्मी वाज
द
अबैंडन्ड।
खालसा आर्मी वाज अबंडेंड। ये खालसा आर्मी क्लास 9 के बुक में डिटेल में दिया हुआ है, एनसीईआरटी में। नेक्स्ट, दिस वाज योर एंग्लो
सेकेंड
वॉर। फर्स्ट वॉर एंड सेकंड। देखिए ये बहुत डिटेल में रहता, आपको इतना डिटेल जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। इतना भी अगर बेसिक आपको याद है, इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी। इट वाज एंग्लो सिख वॉर्स, एंग्लो सिख वॉर 1, एंग्लो सिख वॉर 2। फॉर द समरी हु केम लेट, सो फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वॉर कब हुआ? 1845 टू 46, लॉर्ड हार्डिंगे एज द गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। सेकंड एंग्लो सिख वॉर happened during the period of 48 to 49 during the under Lord Dalhousie. Okay. The reason for the first Anglo-Sikh war was Rani Jindal violated the Treaty of Friendship and crossed the existed boundary there, that is river Satluj. The second war happened because of the humiliation imposed by the first Sikh war and towards Maharani Jindal. The second war ended with the Treaty of Lahore and with a fine of 1.5 crores, and the Sikhs gave away the Kashmir as well as Jalandhar Doab. For the result of the second war was the Punjab was annexed completely and the Khalsa army was abandoned. It was Khalsa was the militia of the Sikh. ठीक है, इंडिया अपने हैदराबाद में रजाकार बोल के सुने? निजाम में एक रजाकार बोल के थे, सिमिलर एक वैसी तरीके का ना खालसी आर्मी बनाए थे। ठीक है, सो इट वाज योर फर्स्ट व्हाट यू कैन से फर्स्ट सिख वॉर एंड सेकंड सिख वॉर। ठीक है, सो बाय दिस वी कंप्लीट आवर एंग्लो सिख वॉर्स। 2 वॉर्स हुए। ठीक है, दिस वाज अ मेजर, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ही बता रहा हूँ। ठीक है, next